Hello everyone. Today our topic is aldol condensation reaction. This is an important reaction comes under the course of grade 11-12 and also important for entrance exam. So let's start with aldol condensation reaction. Condensation. Condensation is basically an organic reaction in which small molecule like water is obtained as byproduct. Time to discuss about aldol now. Aldol. Aldol is basically a combination of ald plus ol. Ald is a aldehyde, its functionality is CHO, and ol is alcohol, its functional part is OH. Let's understand this with the help of an example like CH3, CHOH, CH2, CHO. This compound contains OH as well as CHO part in it, aldehyde as well as alcoholic part in. So its common name is aldol. Aldol condensation. It is a reaction between carbonyl compounds, aldehyde, ketone to form aldol, which further undergoes condensation to give alpha-beta unsaturated compound as product.